Hey guys, Britta here. Welcome back to Space Engineers. Here we are for another episode of our Mars Survival series. We are down here where our, wouldn't call it a mobile mining base, our mining platform is. You can see we've done 2 runs around left to right. We had a meteor shower and a meteor hit right here. Just missed our mining gear. So this is, I believe this is like magnesium. I think if we can actually, I don't know if we can actually pick that up. Maybe not. I know we did get magnesium in our drills. So we're going back for our 3rd little pass here. And it's sort of, I've only gone down so far because at this point we're not hitting ice anymore. Sort of only in this section here that we're hitting ice. So I've only gone down probably 1 full length, so a good 10 meters, and that's it. But this episode I wanted to get started on our transport truck. So I've got a lot of other stuff in here that you guys probably haven't seen yet. Now the hard thing is going to be finding things. I want to grab you, grab you as well. I don't think I'm going to use one of these guys. I think I'm going to use like a proper flight seat. We need to grab some wheels, large cargo container, and lots of other things. But I'm going to keep all these on us because I have installed another mod which allows random encounters throughout the map. So hopefully, some stage we'll get a random encounter. Alright, so I'm going to place that there. Now I want to make sure I don't go any wider than 8 blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 is our maximum amount. If I go to put this on, how much wider does that make it? That is 3 blocks. So I'm going to have to take 2 off and put the wheels on. I think that's what I'm going to have to do. So I can go maximum of 8, possibly 10. So 4, and then 5, 6 for these wheels. So I want to sort of just put these wheels on first, and then sort of build our truck around these wheels, I guess. This is going to be 3x3 left. Which way are we? God, if I can get it the right way. That way. 3x3 left. I want to go 3x3 right. I don't know if our vehicle's going to be in the way. Of course it is. Alright, jump out. Let's grind that back down. We shouldn't have anything getting grinded up at the moment, or made at the moment, because I have it turned off. So it's right, 3x3, perfect. Alright, so I had, I guess I had a rough idea how I wanted this thing to look, but I don't know if it's actually going to work out that way or not. So I guess I'll just sort of have to wing it and go from there, I guess. 6 there and there. Let's go number 7. I don't think I have like a suitable block to fill in that corner. Even this guy is way off what I want that to be. I don't know. Anyway, cosmetics can come later, I guess. So we want to go. So 1, 2, 3. I guess. One, 2, and I think that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I think we might need to actually take you off and you off. Go 8. 3x3 left, only because... Actually, no, that's... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We go 6. Then we go 7, 8, 9. There we go. Put number 7 in there. Because we need to have like a central... I guess a central part to the machine itself. I think these guys are going to have to... Sort of going to have to go... The 7. I don't know, I've got an idea and I sort of got a picture in my mind of what I want this to look like. There's no guarantee that it is going to actually look that way with the way I sort of struggle to design some things. Right there. Turn you that way. Turn you that way. Then I wanted like a... I guess if we go you and you, I don't know how that's going to look. Probably a little bit funny, to be honest. Number 7. The height really isn't an issue at the moment. Like haven't built what I want at the base to sort of give us the height that we need, or like a final height, I guess. So I think that's sort of going to be where our cockpit sort of starts from here. So I want a window, and then let me think here. Windows all along the front. So it's sort of going to be hard for me to now organise what I want the rest of this thing to look like. Something like that. I don't want it to overhang the wheels too much. So number 6. Let's go 1, 2, 3. I want like a side access pod. So we go 1, 2. That's going to be our flight seat, our walkway. Our door's going to go there, I guess. Probably put a door on either side. Let's put a door on one side. So I go to number 2, get rid of you. I want this guy. So I want control station there, but we're going to have to go interior plate. I am going to have to sort of turn this guy on in a minute and get him to start building something. Otherwise we're going to never get this finished. So put that there. Actually no. I want to put you right there at the front because I'm planning on putting like the windows on the outside, I guess. If we can. This is sort of going to be the hard part now. So door on one side. Bathroom, no, we don't want a bathroom door. We want a proper sliding door. Have it like that, so proper access.
Meteor storm inbound.
Uh-oh. We've got a couple of turrets up there. Hopefully they're not coming towards us. Let's turn this guy on because I think with it being built at the same time that I'm designing it, it's probably going to make it a little bit easier for me to... Where are they? Oh, here they come. You can hear the turret shooting away. I think that's it. It's done. Alright, so as I said, I want the windows sort of on the outside, which is going to be another challenge in itself, I think. So put you there. I think you there. I don't know, this thing is going to sort of look really strange at the front. I certainly think it's going to. Number 6. Let's go there and there. So I don't want it to be any higher than this. Let's get rid of that. I think if we go with a number 7 from there, 6, oops, 7 there. Actually, and then get rid of you again. Go another number 7, but make it smaller. So 7. Oop, how's that looking? So get rid of you. Number 6 there. 6 there. Number 7, which is the big one, little one, big one, little one, and then if we go another big one along there, all the way along. And then if we go number 6, maybe half blocks. Which I think might work. Yep, and if I go to there like that, that's sort of what I want that to look like. Now half blocks we're going to have to place some along the sides here. I might leave that space open. So with the windows now, we can go with 2x1, I think. So if we try and place this like that, but invert it, and that'll give us the right sort of spot, I think. Then again, we're better off going just 1x1s because it's not the right sort of thing we're going for. We need some girders.
Energy low.
Alright, that's not good. So invert. We want normal. So those 3 there. Sort of haven't even got to the part where I'm I don't know if this is how I want it to look. It's going to kind of be a strange looking truck, but anyway. Get rid of you, because I think I'm going to put in like a headlight there. Normal armor block in there. Normal armor block in there. We're going to have a headlight there. Boom, both of those, so let's go spotlight. There. Certainly it's going to be a strange looking truck. I think go number 6. Put in half blocks there and there. I really don't know how I want this thing to look. Like, I've got a picture that I've found of a design that I like just a random truck, but this really isn't turning anything out anything like that. Sort of makes it a little bit difficult. Okay, so if we come inside now, so we'll come in. This is our little cockpit. Can't really see anything else, and there's not much other room around, which we don't really need anyway. Number 6, if you bring not half blocks, full blocks we need. Not that one there either. Try and get rid of that before it builds it. Oop, wrong button. Alright, there. And if we bring you through to there, we might as well completely fill this bottom part in. So we are going to need some batteries as well. So if we go batteries, we might fill this compartment up here with some batteries. Don't know how many we're going to need. Well, that might be more than enough for now. Alright, so let's fill the rest in with just normal blocks. All the way back. It's going to be another sort of pretty square design, but it should work out reasonably well. I think put you there. Yeah, we certainly want it that height. So the truck's gonna have to sort of come up that little bit more, which is fine as well. We can work with that. But I also want the truck to sort of come out at the side. Let's take these guys off. Number 6. Alright, certainly get that sort of expanding out a little bit. I'd like to go maybe number 7. No, we can't put it there. Okay, number 7 again. Oop. It's kind of the hard part because I want to use these guys, but we don't have like a corner piece that matches with them. Just really frustrating. Let's quickly jump back in this guy and go 5. Number 2. Get it going back the other way. So yeah, let's have a look at underneath now, because I'm going to need to sort out our. Let's go to number 2. That'll do. Our conveyor system underneath here. Connectors. Yep. Okay. Cool. So number 6. Going to need conveyor junction, which will join all these guys together. Now, the rear end of this ship's probably going to come to a sudden halt, like right at the back here, so shouldn't matter too much, but I'm going to go with probably, let's say 9 of these connectors, which will turn into ejectors. So number 7. Might need to. Must be out of components or something for this guy. What does he need? Oh, we don't have any large steel tubes in the truck by the looks of it. Let's bring you back. You might need to go and grab some from the base. Alright, park you there. See what else you can get built. Fill that in. So, ooh. Straight in the ground. Don't need that going on. Number 6. So join those guys together. As I said, that's going to be where our ejector sort of goes. I might have to come back at a later date and redesign not the layout as such, but more what it looks like. That's probably not going to look very good at all. It's it's going to be quite plain, quite square, which is exactly what I didn't want, but I don't have the best sort of design skills when it comes to, like, I guess, space stuff. I'll turn you around to there. Do they need large steel tubes as well? No, small steel tubes. We had heaps of those. I'm assuming they're probably all getting used in here. Maybe we didn't. Okay. Let's go back into here. Let's drop. There we go. Drop some of that off. Go for a run back. We should be able to get some large steel tubes and small steel tubes in the one run. So I haven't seen anything sort of pop up as yet. I don't know if that mod that I installed, you have to use it when you start a new game, or you can use it at any time, so it may not even work. Right, let's drop a little bit out of there. Where's our small steel? Oh, we have none. We really have none? Let's go 1,000 of you. Don't know how many we're going to need. So I did go and grab, there was nothing in there, a little bit more nickel, silicon and some iron. Still going to need a little bit more iron, but once we get this truck up and running, we can take things back to our other base, which is semi set up, ready to go. We might be in a little bit better position, I think. So I'll try not to fly around too much this episode. I know it feels like I do fly around a fair bit all the bloody time. I want to try not to do that. Right, drop you off. Let's throw in you there. Let's go you there. Let's give us a couple of these, some of these. Alright, so that's how that's going to happen. Now we need a way for us to connect to this base. And I'm thinking I'd rather try and get it from up the top, rather than sort of off the side or off the back or whatever. So number 7, put you along there, try and keep this going for that little bit longer. Go with a number 6. As I said, 0 design points for this thing. Oh, put it in there, thank you. Alright, so there's that. We'll go around this side. Probably going to need some battery components too, like power cells, but we'll bring those over eventually. Alright. Other thing I want to put on here is an antenna. Kind of, how big is that? Thing's pretty bloody tall, isn't it? I'll put that on there. How big is that? That is huge. I certainly want an antenna, but I certainly don't want that one that bloody big. Okay, so we need to go, I think, where's the center of this guy? Say there. And 1, 2, 3, center of this guy. Is that right? No, that's not right. 1, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's right. Right, so you there. 1, 2, 3. Should be there. I think that is where we're going to put our other rear wheels. Might not need an antenna, I guess. We could probably just put a beacon on it. So at least we can sort of keep track of where it is. I don't think it matters which way it goes, they're all the same. Okay, number 6. We're going to need some more components as well for our beacon. Alright, so number 8, we want to go wheel suspension left. You there. You there. We're going to have to move you out of the way. Say here, stop. Wheel suspension 3x3 right. Where are we? Alright, so there. There. I think that one's upside down. Number 8. That's right. What is now? Alright, so the rear end said it's going to come to a sudden halt sort of here somewhere. I might leave a spot for some lights at the rear. It might be nearly out of blocks already. Not you, number 4. You there, you there. Number 6. We are. It might be out of blocks already. Alright, so that's how the rear end's going to go. As I said, the sides like look absolutely terrible. The whole thing looks terrible, to be honest. I don't think it looks very good at all. I sort of wanted to. I don't know if I can. Go like that. Can we go along there like that? We can't. Do it along that way though. Let's go. Go from there. Six. I said this thing is not going to look very good at all. I think that might do. I don't even know where that starts. This one. Just here. Go number 7. Wrong way. So this really hasn't turned out to be a great design by any stretch of the imagination. Not a very good imagination at all. There and there. I wonder if we can actually go. I've got the beacon on, but the antenna wouldn't look too bad there. Maybe even if we. Are they half blocks? They are, okay. Can't really think of anything else that we're going to need. What else do we need? Oh, large. Why do we still have large steel tubes on us? Large steel tubes and small steel tubes again. Let's see. We should be able to back under this thing over this other side. There's a fair bit of work that needs to be done at the back here. Alright, jump out. I want to have a look at the inventory, make sure we have... Keep pressing O instead of 0. Plenty of stuff available. Yeah, we've still got a little bit. We need some more small steel tubes and large steel tubes, so probably grab another 50 large and the rest small, I guess. Sort of see what happens. Alright, so this base here has changed a little bit too. Nothing fancy, but... Alright, grab you, go in here and go large. Never mind. We'll grab that many. Gonna have to grab some battery components, power components, so we'll need to do that as well. This thing won't be too far off being sort of ready to run. I'm gonna have to adjust this base a little bit too to sort of just allow us to get things finished. So what do you need? You need large steel tubes as well. Large steel tubes, small. All that stuff shouldn't be too far away. Small steel tubes, you need 40 radio components. Those batteries are like up under here somewhere. I don't know where they are now. One other thing I want to do is put in some interior plates and build a ladder so we can sort of climb up and down reasonably easily. I don't know if we go another one or not. I think that might be alright. If the bottom one gets broken, it gets broken. Doesn't matter. How'd we go with those large steel tubes? Alright, let's help this guy out a little bit, I guess. I don't know if we're going to have drummers with that. Those wheels are touching, but you never know. It might be okay. You're good. Just don't have any power. All under here is all good. I'll drop you back in there somewhere. So we come back up into here. We really could have put like a O2H2 generator and stuff on, but we'll make a batteries. I don't know which one's which. Say connected 10ers, maybe the one on top. Best way to find out, I guess, is to grind it down or just press K. Yeah, that's connected 10. Okay, so go connectors, throw out, save. Go connector top. Alright. Can you save that? There we go. Large cargo container. I'm just gonna go transport cargo there. Transport controls. Let's go transport door. I'd rather try and spotlight. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter about the fronts and rears and stuff, I guess. Am I still flying? I am. Oh no, I wasn't. Wonder why things are going so funny then. Alright, there's our timer going off, so we're... Yeah. At time at the moment, left front, wheel... Let's go wheel, right front. Let's go wheel, front, and save. Steering angle, I don't want too much. Strength, I think sort of do want to go like 50%, and I want to try and get it off the ground as high as we can. We'll go wheel, drive. So the rears, we don't want steering. Actually, this one and this one, we don't want propulsion either. Height offset, strength, 50%. Done. Right, which spotlight is not done and why? Probably the one at the front, maybe? No, you're done. This one. I'd still tubes. I think we could probably grab... I think we only needed 2. I'll throw you back into there. Oh, there we go. So that's that pretty much done. Is it our rover out of the way? That's the next question. If we happen to drop this to the ground, should be, but we'll back it back just in case. We'll do a quick save as well, just in case. Let's go through to here, take this out. Let that drop to the ground. Pretty sort of solid. Park brake's not turned on. Hopefully it doesn't roll too far. I don't think we can even... Oh, there we go, park brake. Not that we have any power. So that should work reasonably well. What I'll do is I'll pause it here and I'll come back once I've got it ready to transport, and we'll see how it goes from there. Alright guys, we're back. So back at the base. And I will say this thing is bloody heavy. I come down here doing about 20 meters a second. Started to slow down and it kept gaining speed towards there, so I turned hard left, jammed the park brake on, and yeah, we managed to pull up in time. So I've got this attached to the side of the building here. Refinery should be fully up and running and operational. We've got a few turrets in the front with no ammo yet. The front room here to the right isn't completed. It's got a lot of stuff to do. Below that is going to be the hydrogen engine room. Possibly uranium room if we can get out to space and get some uranium. Up the top of the base here, I won't go and show you guys. I'll show you guys next episode maybe. But up the top of the base we've got our small cargo containers, O2 generators. Then we've got some oxygen generators in the room, like the main factory room. And we've got hydrogen tanks, refineries and assemblers all in there ready to go. And then it is all plumbed up together, and it plumbs up through into the hydrogen engine room, and then I need to plumb it from there up to the top there, which there's a little room. I don't know if you can sort of see it. Just below that turret there, there's like a connector and a door which goes into where those turrets are, and they're all connected together too. So, right, let's reverse this guy back up, and you'll see now if we can actually get up here. There we go, should be able to get up there. There you go. I don't want to go back too far. Stop around about there. How far underneath are we? We're probably too far back if anything. Let's roll forward just a little bit. It's where our rear wheels sort of line up. I think that it's still a little bit too far actually. Maybe if we stop around about there, I can sort of put like a braking thing to stop us from going back too far. Now if we hit number 8 and number 9, it should throw all the stone and all the ice into there, and it'll slowly empty our our cargo and stuff. Now I need to change this because that says transport instead of transport. Looks pretty much exactly the same, but it's spelt wrong. Right, so you can see there's a bit of ice going through. In here, I can take my mask off. I did put in a H2O2 generator there. The only problem is I open this door and then it all gets let out, but it doesn't take very long, as you can see, to repressurize anyway. Right, so let's run around to here. Just want to quickly go up and check, make sure everything's going in okay. So we come in through to here, shut the door, depressurize, go through to the main refinery area, and this should be eventually fully pressurized at some stage. Still got 0 room pressure, which is weird. That door's shut. There's no door up here or anything, so I don't know. Have you got anything in there? Not yet. Let's go hide empty. So the refinery's getting stone. The assembler's not doing anything. Refinery, wooden repair system's got stuff. I don't think we have any ice coming through as yet. No, not yet. Right, so we go ice into here, nothing. So we've got to wait for the ice to get processed through. I was thinking of putting in a walkway from here over to there, and putting like a big room on top for us to sort of have it as like our processing facility. I guess we sort of see things come, see what comes in and what goes out, and that sort of thing. Alright, so now if we jump back in our truck here, which is, I know, a very strange truck, and we go to ice, we go to connector, let's throw some ice. Let's get you out and throw ice in there. Stone out, throw ice in there. Ice in there, try and throw out as much ice as we can. Now let's make sure that if we go connectors, they're all, yep, except for connector top, they're all should be throwing out. And then if we go back into here, make sure we put our helmet back on. This guy does actually work, so we should be able to go down, but it doesn't just let us drop to the ground, which is strange. Yeah, you can see that that's working. Do we have any stone? We don't have any stone, I should say. Steel plates. Alright, so from here, if I go number 7, we sort of can't do that there. Alright, we'll put that there. That there, at least that'll stop us from backing back too far. There. There. If we go another number 6. Oop. Another number 6 there. Another number 7. There and there. That should stop us from being able to reverse right back and hit the back wall once it's finished. I sort of want it to look like a big sort of silo, I guess. Yeah, so if we hit that and then sort of roll forward a little bit, we'll know it's all going to go in reasonably well. Alright, so mask on, open the door, shut the door. Ooh, try not to die. We'll run around, and I'll run back up and in. Have a quick look, and make sure that things are working. Open the door, shut the door. We'll take our helmet off. Not yet. We're still no idea what's going on there. room pressure. It's slowly building, so it's going to take a little while by the looks of that for that to get done. So all our H2O2 tanks and stuff are here. Still building. I don't know why they're red though. It might be a power issue, I guess. Yeah, you've got ice. You've got ice. Certainly, I think it's certainly going to be a power issue for sure. So if we go this way, I need to fix this one as well. Go this way. Open the door. Shut the door. Open this door. Same sort of thing. Keeping the pressure in so we're not wasting oxygen and stuff. This will go down to here. And we need to put in some hydrogen engines to sort of get this going. I might turn you off. There's no point in having you running. So yeah, that's the truck build, I guess. I think we can go out this door. Go out here, another sort of compression chamber. Shut that door, back around to the truck, and it's working. Oh, maybe not. Oh no, there we go. It's probably just taken a little while for everything to sort of fall into place. We might need to. Oh no, there they go. Actually, they're probably go into here. We'll go number 9. Turn that off. There's probably I guess it's probably full. I don't think we can actually click on these guys. We can't. So it's probably full up top. That's why it's having such an issue. So let's put you in there, and if we can actually let's take that away. Let's go number 7. Run all those along here as well. Let's go number 6. I know we've got to try and hurry up and finish this episode. Sort of just carrying on with extra stuff now. Alright, so get all that done. Number 7, there and there. Then that should, if anything does happen to sort of come out, it should go straight back in. There you go. Rightio guys, well that is our truck build. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. It doesn't look that crash hot, but it does the job. So if you guys enjoyed it, as always, hit the like button, leave a comment, let me know what you think it is on. If you've got any other ideas or know of any blueprints we could possibly use, let me know. If you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet guys, please do so. It's been Brito, thanks for watching. See you again soon.